Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Integrating sine functions is actually super fast once you know the trick. Let's solve this definite integral from 0 to pi over 2 right now. First, we need the antiderivative of sine of x over 2. Since the derivative of cosine is negative sine, our result is negative 2 times the cosine of x over 2. Now, we plug in our upper limit of pi over 2 and our lower limit of 0. This means we calculate negative 2 cosine of pi over 4 minus negative 2. Cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. Multiplying by negative 2 gives negative root 2 plus 2. Option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.